Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to change Claude effort levels to save tokens. So what we need to do here, we will adjust the reasoning depth using a two-click built-in settings on the web interface. So locate model selector. So you have it right here in where you see this prompt where you can put in text. Here at the bottom, you will see models. Click on that, and right over here, you see it that we have 1, 2, 3, 4 models. All right, so right now we are using Sonnet 4.6, most efficient for everyday tasks. All right, and right here, if we go to the effort, we see here that we have low, medium, high, and max. All right, so you can imagine, so low, medium, high, and max. If you are using max or you also enable thinking, this will basically excessively uh, use your tokens. So you will burn your tokens really fast. All right. You also have here more models, some old or older versions. But yeah, this is pretty much uh, how you can save tokens here on Claude. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.